Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where we are learning blockchain. So today's interesting topic is Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is very much related to the Bitcoin supply. But this halving is not going to impact the supply. It is going to impact the way supply is getting distributed to the world. So how it is going to be distributed? Let's get inside this and understand that. First, understand the basic concepts of Bitcoin. So, there is a cap of Bitcoin which can come into the market. So, total 21 million Bitcoins can only be mined in the Bitcoin world. Okay, so the max cap is already defined. Why it is defined? This has been defined by the algorithm from Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009 itself. Okay, and by today, when I'm recording this video, we already have 19.5 million supply of bitcoins in the market, right? And you can see this, the first Genesis block got created in the month of March 2009. So this is, we need to remember, the maximum supply of bitcoin is 21 million, right? So where's the halving comes into the picture? Let's get deep. Just try to understand. The first one got created in 2009, right? Why it got created? That was created as a first block, which is called as a Genesis block, right? So this is called as a Genesis block. When the Genesis block got mined by Satoshi Nakamoto, he was rewarded with 50 bitcoins, right? So the block mining fee was 50 bitcoins. How the bitcoins are coming into the market? Just think through. Bitcoins can never be published. It can only be mined. It's not a fiat currency where you can just print and put it into the market. This needs to be mined through the blocks. When first block got mined, then 50 bitcoins comes in the market. They came in the market, right? So just remember this. Now what happened? It is not the case today, right? Today, if you go back to my previous videos, you can check that every block get mined, miners are getting 6.25 BTC, right? Not the 50 BTC. So where is the difference? 50 to 6.25. Let's dig deep. What is this difference? You can visualize 50 bitcoins was there in the initial one, then 25 bitcoins. Why it is different? This is called a first halving. When it happened after approximately 4 years. So just remember the concept. When 210,000 blocks are mined, it is taking approximately 4 years. Then the reward of the block is getting half, right? That's why we are calling it as a halving. So in 2009 it was 50, 2012 it came into the 25 bitcoins after the mining of 210,000 blocks. So the same calculation will goes on. Then another 210,000, the reward will get down by 12.5 bitcoins, right? And then it goes continues, and now we are into after 2020 May, we are miners are getting 6.25 bitcoins, correct? So you check the supply. When the first halving happened, approximately 10.5 million bitcoins were in the market. In the second halving, it was around 15.75 millions. Then when this third halving happened, it was around 18.375 million bitcoins were already in the market. Now the next halving, when it is going to take place? In 2024, right? We are already in 2024. The next halving is going to take place soon. What will happen then? So it can continues in every 4 year until 210,000 blocks are getting mined. And the expectation is that approximately 2140 year we will mine all the bitcoins into the market, right? And it is approximately going to take 32 halvings, and we are already sitting in the third, and fourth is already expected in the year of 2024. And this is how it continues until the one satoshi will be remains left, which cannot be mined further, correct? I hope this is important concept, and I hope that you are able to understand this, then how halving is taking place, correct? Now just get into the next halving. So just always we are thinking that what is coming into the next, correct? This is how it is. In 2009 first block, then 2012 25 BTC, then 2016 12.5, and 2024 approximately around April month we are expecting that the Bitcoin reward will reduce by 3.125. This is just the half of the Bitcoin, correct? And the bit blocks height will reach to 840,000. Every 210,000 block this is getting half, right? Now this is the important thing. Then people are thinking that what will be left when there are no Bitcoins to mine. So we already know that by 200 to 2140 year every Bitcoin will be mined. It is getting halved in 210,000 blocks, and it will get half up to only one Satoshi is left, right? It will get halved and halved and halved and halved, and it will be remains left only one Satoshi which cannot be halved further, because this is the least number of Bitcoin which cannot go until further, right? So what will happen now when miners are mining the blocks, they are getting fee reward as well as the transaction fees, right? You must have seen in my previous videos. If not, then go back and check. What will happen after that? When all the Bitcoins are into the market, then miners are going to get the reward as a transaction fees. And why, if we should not think that the miners will not be motivated to get into the mining at that time. But why? Because the transaction fees value will be very high at that time due to the inflation and other stuffs which takes place, right? This is how the halving takes place, and that's the benefit of halving, so that the Bitcoins are coming in every step, and it takes time and gives space to the world to digest and give the inflation hedge and other parameters to be in line with the supply of the Bitcoin, right? I hope you are able to understand. If not, please go through with this video and try to understand more. This is very important concept for everything. If you are trying to learn cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain, everywhere, this is very important concept. I leave you here with this. Please let me know if you need any other help and understanding. I will be there to help you all. Thank you so much. Till then, continue learning.